Hi, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, where we help people just like you get themselves up, running and selling things on Amazon here in Australia. We've got over 2,000 members who've collectively sold over $50 million worth of their stuff on Amazon right around the world. You can find out more by going to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. In this video, I'm going to show you how much money a product that you're thinking of selling should make on Amazon. All right, so question from Jenna. Okay, this is a very interesting question. It's one of those questions where I'm actually going to put my webcam on so I can talk to Jenna. There you go. So she says this is a newbie question, but I don't actually think it is a newbie question. What is the threshold figure? And this is a question for you. So answer in the chat what you think this is for yourself, okay? What is the threshold figure for getting involved with a product or not? Like, what is the sales per month in a dollar value that you would be, okay, that's a product, now I'm interested, I'm going to get involved. I am actually interested what you would think is the amount you would be at. Where would it be for you? Would it be like $1,000 a month it would have to make? $2,000 a month? 5, 10, 15, 50? Where is it for you? I'm super interested where it would be for you. Whoever wrote it depends. Mr. Hayden. 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, at least 1,000, 1,000, 4, 10, 25. All right, so that very, very quick demonstration tells us that everybody's threshold figure is going to be different. So that's the answer to that. What is the figure? That entirely depends on you. But what I will say is this. A big thing that it will depend on is actually not really the product, but you and your budget. How much money have you got for your Amazon business? That will be the biggest dictator of where your sales can be at any given time. Because let's just do some super simple maths, okay? Let's suppose that we're aiming for, what's our as the average in there? Let's say it's 5,000 based on what I can see, about $5,000 a month for that single product, okay? That is the target you've got in your head, and if it doesn't make $5,000 a month in sales, I'm not interested. So what does that really mean? Well, let's say, again, super simplistic kind of breakdown for you, and of course every product's going to be different. However, just for ease of maths, let's say 25% of that is going to be the product cost. So a product sells on Amazon for $40. Typically, out of that, $10 will be the product cost, the actual cost of the product from China, for instance. So $5,000, well, the product cost from that will be $1,250, okay? So 25%, 5,000, 1,250. So that is the money that you have got to spend on the products, buying the products from China, to be able to sell them at the markup to make $5,000 a month. Typically, you would get 3 months worth of stock at a time. So you'd be up for 3 multiplied by 1,250, which is 3,750. So your initial investment in stock for your store to be able to make $5,000 a month would be $3,750. Okay, so it's more the case that your budget dictates the amount that you're going to make per month. That's where the defining factor is. So anybody that says, I want to make, $1 million a month, great. That's absolutely cool. I'm with you. Have you got the money to do that? Have you got the investment required to make that? Because if you don't, you're setting yourself up for fail. You should aim where you're ready to go for. So hope that helps. And then of course, you'd put your money in, so $3,750. You'd invest that 90 days worth of supply, so 3 months worth of supply. You'd sell it on Amazon at full price, $15,000. Take away your initial upfront investment. You've got what, $11,250. That is your gross profit for your business. So pretty good, for 3 months worth of work to turn $3,750 into $11,250. I will do that deal every day of the week, and that is why, of course, the richest people in the world, the wealthiest people in the world, are business owners, because a business gives you that ROI, that rate of return on your capital when it's done properly. Hope that makes sense. All right. Most folks don't really think about their finances, their budget, when it comes to setting their goals, but it's crazy to set goals that you just haven't got the money to achieve. You have to kind of set them realistically based on what money you've got for your business. Super important. That video was taken from my normal Monday night open forum Q&A session where the 2,000 plus members of the Aussie online entrepreneurs jump on a call together and they just ask me heaps and heaps of questions and I answer for them live. If you'd like to find out more about joining us at the Aussie online entrepreneurs, we've got over 2,000 members and growing. We're the fastest growing e-commerce community here in Australia. Then you can find out more by going to www.aussieonlineentrepreneur.com.au. See you next time.